In this video, I'll show you how to fix PayPal phone verification not working. Yes, it's possible. Let's jump right in. First, make sure you're entering the correct country code and phone number. A small mistake here can cause a big headache. If your number is correct but you're not getting the code, tap Resend Code or wait 5 to 10 minutes and try again. Sometimes PayPal just needs a sec to catch up. Still stuck? Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Sometimes network issues block the message. PayPal also lets you verify via SMS or voice call. So if texting isn't working, switch to the voice option. It might get through faster. If that doesn't work, open the PayPal app, go to Settings greater than Identity Verification, and try re-verifying from there. If all else fails, try using a different phone number or contact PayPal support directly through the app. Tap Help and Contact and start a chat. Quick tip: if you recently changed numbers, you'll need to update your account info before verifying with the new one. If this helped you out, smash that like button and maybe drop a comment so I know you're back in business. Don't forget to subscribe for more quick PayPal fixes. See you next time.